Did you know that you can now cut holes like this from any angle with the free Bool Tool extension? The old Carver add-on was already integrated into Blender a few versions back, but it always had to be used in orthographic views, and setting the depth was kind of difficult. Now it works from any angle. To use it, make sure you've enabled and updated the Bool Tool add-on in extensions. Now you have the Box Carve tool in the tool panel. Click and drag to draw a red cutter shape. Then let go of the left mouse button and move the mouse to control the depth. When you click and hold the tool icon, you'll see that there's also a circle option, as well as a polyline tool that you can use to create custom shapes. While using the tool, you'll see some handy tooltips at the bottom of the UI. That way it's easy to remember how to make an array, how to rotate the cutter object, and how to bevel. The cutters are all collected in a new collection in the outliner, as well as in a panel in the Edit tab in the Option panel. There you can choose to apply them all or remove them, or toggle their visibility on or off. Because this is all modifier based, you can enable the cutter object's visibility and then adjust many settings, for example with this cutter array. I'm currently updating my hard surface modeling course with lessons about materials, texturing and baking. Get it now with a 50% discount until Monday the 3rd of August on 3dsecrets.com.